Hi guys, this is Fei from Feisworld Media. In this video, I want to show you my entire earning from YouTube during the year 2020. It is a tough time for a lot of people, so I'm not recording this video to brag. In fact, we are a tiny channel with just a little over 10,000 subscribers. Our watch time is somewhat significant, close to 500,000 watch minutes each month. So I'm going to walk you through my 3 major revenue streams from YouTube. They are, number 1, YouTube ads. YouTube sponsored videos. And this one means that other companies or brands will hire me to produce videos for them based on the software I already use and love. Before we get started, this video is sponsored by Restream. Restream helps me be everywhere at once and tripled my views, my engagement in a short few weeks. I think Restream is a must-have for independent creators, podcaster, live streamers. So definitely check it out. There's a special deal for you right from Feisworld. With love, and let's go back to today's video. Number 3 is affiliate income. Now, if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, I'll be sure to include a video. It is something, as I see it, a most significant learning for me in the past year. For my affiliate marketing income, it includes from Amazon, as well as other brands and companies that I have an affiliate relationship with. For example, including the brands and sponsor from the second revenue stream. They will supply these affiliate marketing links to me. So when someone, such as yourself, clicking on the link, I will make a very small amount of money and no extra cost to you. So these are the 3 main revenue streams, and I want to break them down by category. And I hope this is encouraging to you because, again, we're a very small channel. If we can make money and make this work, I want to show you how that can also work for you as well. Even if you're starting YouTube channel now or in early 2021, if you choose to be consistent and stick with a plan, you're going to see something really nice come out of it. And I think you'll also enjoy the content creation journey as well. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I have this whole YouTube monetization and growth series coming at your way in addition to my Zoom and live streaming content. Okay, let's take a look inside of my channel analytics. As I'm recording this, it's December 2020. But I'm going to go back to each and every month to show you guys my revenue growth opportunities, how these numbers are changing over time. As I'm going through the process, I'm also going to include in this spreadsheet so that you can see the breakdown of all my revenue streams. As mentioned before, YouTube ads, sponsor videos, and affiliate marketing incomes. So I'm going to break down starting April 2020 because that's when I actually started monetizing all the way through December. December has not concluded yet, but we can more or less predict the range of my YouTube ads and where it's going to land. So let's get started. First month is April. I started monetizing as of April 17th. That was day 1. I still remember $5.97. And in that month, I received $261.60. Let's take a look at May. Now, in the month of May, I received 120,000 views. My estimated revenue, which has concluded since then, is $789.39. Now, what do you think is going to happen in June? I'll tell you, I was pretty nervous because I thought some of my videos would just die down. What I also like about this view is not only it's showing me the summary, but you can see that the top videos in this period will always be changing. Sometimes the same video will stick around for, even for more than 1 month, but more often than not, they do change, which I'm going to show you that this video right here really had the biggest breakthrough of all. So in the month of June, I received $687.97. Let's plug that right in. At this point, I was making a prediction to say, I think this is going to be the revenue I'll be receiving through the end of the year. I am super happy because, come on guys, if you see $700 cash on the ground, you're going to pick it up and be happy with it, right? So I'm going to plug in right here. And some of the most popular videos kind of stuck around, but here's what happened. The 12 Zoom meeting tips started to really surface and push to the top. And this video took me very little time to produce. I never really thought this one would be the one to take off. August, as you can see, the views are really going up. And what happens is that all of a sudden, this video, 12 Zoom meeting tips, went from less than 10,000 views to over 31,000 views in that 1 month. As a result, it really drove up the revenue here. Now in September, my revenue nearly doubled. My channel views got up to 152,000 views, and the watch time is going up as well. So the revenue concluded was $1,967.61. By far the most popular video was again the 12 Zoom meeting tips. And the average view duration, as you can see here, was not 30 seconds or a minute, but more than a third of the video. October was huge for me. It went up even more to $2,321.25. Now, November, my revenue actually dropped. Now, this may be determined based on a number of factors, how much companies are willing to spend on ads, how your videos perform over time. And the good news is my producer Herman and I are very open-minded about this, and we realize that same video will not remain in the first position forever. So there we go. It still performed, but my revenue certainly did come down after a bit. As I'm recording this, it's the middle of December. Let's take a look at what December is looking like. Right now, I have made $666.35. Because it's the middle of December, it is fair for me to maybe predict it's going to be twice the amount of that, but I don't know because Christmas is coming as well. I don't know whether that actually increases spend or decrease it, and a lot of that has to do with the type of content and the type of channel that you are. To simplify it, I'm just going to say this is an estimated number, and I'm going to use orange just so everybody knows it's not formalized yet. And who knows, maybe you guys can guess it in the comments below what you think I'm going to get for the month of December. Now for the next two categories, I'm going to put a single number, and the reason for sponsored videos to have to be a single number is that I cannot really share the specific amount per video or per retainer some of these brands have paid me. I can tell you, however, at the beginning of my monetization journey around April, May, June, I really wasn't getting a lot of requests. But the moment I hit around 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers, all of a sudden I'm getting requests from different companies. Obviously, not every brand is necessarily a good fit. I had to let go some of them, but the ones who did find me were just incredible. And I learned so much along the line. And you guys can actually browse through my videos to just take a look at who they are. It's actually pretty obvious. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to put a single dollar amount here. And before I do that, just think for a moment how much that could be. So first, before I do that, I also want to just summarize how much this equals to. As you can see before, again, this is before tax money. Altogether, I made $11,001 on YouTube from the month of April to December. What do I think about it? It's actually not bad considering I was going to do this type of content anyway. I just entered my total sponsored videos cost. So altogether $10,675 from around July all the way through December. And I know this because one of my sponsors, for example, is a retainer sponsor, so I will know ahead of time how much I'm going to get paid for the month of December, how many videos I need to produce. So what do you think, guys? Did this number surprise you? I'll tell you that it kind of did for me, because I didn't realize that I always knew that sponsored videos are going to be more lucrative, but at the same time, because they came more than halfway through my monetization journey through YouTube ads, it was really helpful, and I love creating this type of videos. Last but not least, let me show you what affiliate marketing income looks like for me. I can actually review what they are. So they are from Amazon, Teachable, ConvertKit, and a number of other software I use on a regular basis. And I'll show you what the pages look like on my website, as well as how I insert these affiliate links into my YouTube videos. I also have a couple of affiliate marketers I cannot share the names of, so just keep that in mind. This is going to be a consolidated dollar amount overall. And to take a look at Amazon affiliate income, I want to show you guys that this is my payment reports since the beginning of the year. In fact, you can see some lingering, $10, $20, even $3 here and there, even before I started my YouTube channel. But the most significant payouts or affiliate income, specifically coming from Amazon, sort of started around June timeframe. And keep in mind that there's actually always the delay. So whenever you see the date as June 1st, look at that. The advertising fee actually is from April 2020 and then May 2020. And it started to just kind of fade out. So in my popular videos or Zoom related videos, within the description of the video, I will list many different groups and resources and tools. So one thing that I like to list all the time is to make sure that people know how to purchase these live stream products, including things such as microphones, lights, cameras, all that stuff. Now, there are other affiliate incomes. I'm going to hide the page and the logo here because I have an exclusive deal with this company with a 4% commission. So as you can see, between May 20th, 2020 to December 14th, 2020, I earned a total amount of $650.84, and I've generated over $17,000 worth of sales for this company. There are other less significant, I would say, affiliate incomes from different third-party sources. Because of YouTube, I have driven traffic to products such as this page, my Feisworld marketing software for blogging, online courses, file management. And actually, you can take a look at this page. I'm perfectly happy if you want to use some, like a similar template for your own website as an affiliate marketer. If you imagine that if you can get this type of income and know how to drive appropriate traffic to these links, then they can really add up. I have a separate video to help you get started on your affiliate marketing step by step, including templates as well. So make sure that you check it out. I almost forgot, last but not least, I have something called my own products, things I've designed and sold through my website, and how I drive traffic to them, YouTube again. So let me show you. If you go to feisworld.com, click on live stream, and then click on shop Zoom countdown timers. This is one of the videos right now. Let me show you how many views I have. So this video, which I launched at the end of August, now has over 15,000 views. That's not insignificant, but I wouldn't say this is one of my most popular videos, right? Now, if you come to this page, I have decided to create these countdown timers for Zoom so that you can just upload them and use them right away. I'm going to log into my Squarespace website to show you behind the scenes, the sales, the traffic. I'm going to change it to year to date. So from a single product, I've made about $3,000. As you can see, after my video released on August 31st, there was zero revenue coming from the month of August, right? But look at that. For the first 30 days in September, I've only generated $280 because people were still discovering the video. And look at what happened in October. It increased to $855. Then in the month of November, I made $1,222 to we are now halfway through December. Looks like the sales are still going on. I probably expect to make right around $1,100 to $1,200. The point of showing you this and the fact that I'm going to create a video very, very soon in January to show you how I set up products in Squarespace, how you can approach creating products on your own and make money from it. So my entire spreadsheet is now filled out with YouTube ads, sponsor videos, affiliate marketing, and lastly, products. For affiliate marketing, I had to go in pretty deep with all the affiliates. And to be honest, some of those I'm not really focusing on and promoting constantly. For example, I love working with TubeBuddy. As an affiliate, the moment that something is sold, they send you money right away. They don't wait 30 days, 10 days. You literally get the money within, I would say, the hour or something like that. I just feel like, again, this video is not about who are awesome affiliates, but it really makes a huge difference for content creators because we're constantly busy. Now, with that said, as you can see, here's the breakdown, and it really helps me, guys. I actually kind of appreciate the idea of this video, even though it takes so long to produce, but in a snapshot within, let's say, a period of 12 months. The good ones really surface to the top, and it gives you as a creator to realize maybe the programs you want to focus on. With that said, right now you're looking at the number of $2,216.08. So I'm going to say 2416. Big reveal here. My total 2020 income from YouTube, it is $27,093. That is very significant. Actually, it is a significant portion of my income, especially given that 2020 has been this crazy year, right? So I'm sure for any family, for any individual, especially content creators, to see a $27,000 increase in their income is just huge. I want to give a special shout out for my producer, my soulmate who's supported me throughout the entire journey. His name is Herman. I'm just so blessed to have found him. But just keep in mind, whenever you're doing this YouTube content creation, really comes in phases, and it's really hard to predict exactly how things are going to work, which video is going to be the hit. But just, you got to trust the process, as you can see right here. Thank you so much for watching, for listening. Please know I really appreciate you. Leave any comments, any questions below. I'll do my best to answer them. Again, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. Please hit subscribe. I have so much more content coming your way. Give me a thumbs up or down. Your feedback, honest feedback, it's always appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.